Hello guys, welcome to a new video by ERM Plumbing. Today we're gonna talk about a toilet water leak. Don't wait too long to act because it might lead to a high water bill. An easy test is to put food coloring in your toilet tank. Leave it for the night and check in the morning to see if the water color change your bowl. The fill valve controls the amount of water that enters a tank, and when reaches its limit point, the filling stops. The flapper's purpose is to hold water in the tank. It reaches the overflow and it goes over, then the fill valve is faulty. In that case, I will recommend you to call us and we will be glad to help you. Check to see if the water level reaches its limit. Once it does, if it slowly decreases, then your flapper is not sealing properly, which means your toilet is constantly refilling and wasting water. In this case, I recommend for you to replace the flapper. There are so many types of flappers. Some of them they are easy to be replaced. For some of them you will need a specific part number. As an initial step, we recommend you to contact your local hardware store. If they cannot help you, please contact us.